Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering DHSC annual reports and accounts. Here's an example of one of the files from the website. And here is the data in the database. Oops. There you go. You can see that it's now recorded in the table correctly. You can then throw that into your Power BI or whatever. There's the public spending one, and there's also the administration budgets. And there you go. In total, a couple of tables, 1,973 rows, data going back to 2018. Thanks. If you wanted to play with this table or any other thousands of tables in the Facts and Dimensions database, then just follow the link in the description below and you can get 30 days free access to Snowflake and all this data here. And that's the video. Thanks.